Hello everyone, this is Moses. This video is just a continuation of how to create purchase orders. But in this video, we're going to learn about how to create receipt notes for the purchase orders. If you didn't see the previous video, please look for it for the best understanding of this video. Okay, you go and to start and look for your program. Me, I'm using this procedure, but for you, you can just pick it from the desktop. Select company, double click on the company, you go to create accounting vouchers. If I click on receipt, it will not give me the kind of receipt I need. It will just give me this normal receipt. So to see the receipt note, to reveal the receipt note, what we have to do, you press from your keyboard, you press Ctrl key together with F9. It will reveal the receipt note, as you can see here up. It is asking you for the reference. Here you can put anything, but you have to follow the naming procedure of your organization or your company. Me, I'm going to start with the ABC. I put RN for receipt note, then I put a dash and say 1. Okay, so I want to name it in that sequence. Here, part name, part is account name. Previously we created a purchase order for PCL Limited, so we are selecting PCL Limited, and here it is giving us the list of orders. This is the order which we created the purchase order for. Double click on it. Okay, double click on it. Okay, you say not applicable. Press enter. Here we say end list. You press enter. It is supposed to go under purchase account. Enter. Enter end. Okay, now this shows that we have accepted that order. We have confirmed that we have confirmed that we have received the customer's confirmation that he or she has allowed us to supply the items. So just press enter. Thank you guys. That is the way we create the receipt note against the purchase orders. If you find this video helpful, please help me and subscribe. That is the way you can help me to grow my channel. That is the best way you can support me. Thank you. Bye bye.